Hey everybody, Jay Graham's here, and I'm going to show you a beautiful 1934 Ford three-window coupe, chopped, suicide doors, classic hot rod, bright red. You can never go wrong with that. It's not going to go out of style. Has air conditioning, automatic, leather seats. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. And that's where you'll find a price tag, not just on this one, but on 200 classic cars we have for sale. And each one will have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I like the classic look. I love the big headlights, not the little headlights. It even has the Ford script on the glass, so I like that. The 34 grille. It's a metal hood, opens from either side, or you can remove it completely. Absolutely straight finishes. This thing was really done very, very well. Sometimes I see them and they're wavy or have issues. This one's looking really slick. I mean, really nice. Suicide doors open from a remote. There's no door handles. Painted running boards looks real slick. You'll just have to be careful not to scuff them. Chop top. And all this is smooth and straight. It's a fiberglass body. I believe it's an Outlaw body, so technically they didn't chop it. They molded it to look like a chop top. A power lift trunk. We'll open that in a little while. Has the recessed license plate, gas filler obviously, diamond shaped LED tail lights, all smooth. The body and paint, again, really, really nice. I know they all look good in the pictures, and while it's here, look at that stance. Look at that profile. The roof tips forward. It's a good-looking car. Full fendered car, all smooth, straight, glossy. The gap looks like a Lexus around the doors, all real nice. Metal hood is louvered, and you may not be able to see it, but there's some hand pinstripe flames. I think they're very tastefully done, looks good. Someone who's talented, whoever did that too. It's sitting on some Boyd Coddington wheels. I almost said Foose wheels. No bumpers, front or back. Turn signals built into the headlights. There's an orange bulb in there as well. As far as the wheels, they're BF Goodrich tires wrapped around them. 15-inch. These are probably 17. See how good I am at guessing. First, let's see how good I am at finding it. Where is it? All at the yep, 17-inch. BF Goodrich front and back. Power windows. Let's open it up. We'll give you a tour of the inside, the motor, and the trunk. You know, I felt I kept the exterior portion short. There was nothing bad to say about it. Just look at this paint. It is like red glass. I was looking down the sides, the fenders. The fenders aren't chipped up or anything like that. Really, really nice body and paint. So there's a button inside, and it just releases the trunk latch. There are two gas struts that would normally have enough pressure to pick this up. There's one here and one here. They lose their oomph after a while. I will have both of those replaced, so this trunk will pop open on its own. You can see it's all upholstered and boxed. Typically behind there is the battery for the car. I'm sure this panel comes right out. Sometimes some stereo equipment. But we'll get those struts replaced, and you have a nice finished trunk compartment. Yeah, visit volocars.com. You'll see a few hundred fantastic classic cars for sale, collector cars. Now it has the suicide doors. Door panels in really nice shape. It's all upholstered. It has power window switch. You see the knob. They can open it from the inside, and right below that is a deadbolt. Once you're in the car, you want to latch that deadbolt so your doors don't fly open. That's where they got the suicide door term from. Wind catches it and it flies open. The dash is also upholstered, neatly done. There's some nice vents, nice set of dolphin gauges, a match set. About 4,600 miles on this car since it's been done. Nice billet vintage air heater and air conditioning controls. Again, the vents and everything's nice. There's a stereo. Here's a little tray for your phone. All looks very neat and tidy. There's speakers down in the kick panels. Got some real nice carpet with bound edges. Nice low car shifter with the indicator in the middle there. And then the seats are very comfortable. I'm 6 foot. There is plenty of leg room. I mean, I can straighten my legs just about. Little tight on the headroom, so you won't want to be much taller than me. Now the seats are very comfortable. They hold you in place. Black leather. The whole inside is upholstered. The upholstery around this rear window and up in the corners a little bit loose. The headliner is in excellent shape. Got a nice oval mirror. We have a nice custom wheel and a polished tilt column. Looks like you got some billet pedals down there. The driver's seat, by the way, is a power seat. So the engine bay is all nice and slick, smooth. And then you have a nice motor in the middle here, a 350 motor. Lots of polished goodies. You notice the air cleaner, the valve covers, the breather, all have the same pattern. You have spark plug wire holders. They're neatly run. You got headers. You have a polished aluminum intake with a plated Edelbrock carb, red HEI ignition system, chrome alternator, stainless hose. It's probably a Walker radiator. That's what most of these are. A polished AC compressor. I do see heat and air conditioning hoses over there, so it does have both. So very nice motor compartment too. Oh, I seen a ooga horn in there. I'll turn the key on. All right, now let's talk about the underside. Okay, so this car was built from the ground up 4,600 miles ago. So it would be a new frame and chassis. It's a boxed frame with tubular supports in the middle. Up front is a, like Mustang 2 style, independent suspension, tubular control arms, polished. They're probably QA1 coilover gas adjustable shocks. In back, it's a 4-link system with the same polished coilover shocks. And then looking up at the gas tank, that was obviously replaced or installed. It's a metal gas tank. Nice dual exhaust. Looks like some smaller Flowmaster style mufflers. Has rack and pinion steering. Disc brakes in front. The power brake boosters under the car. They're drum and back. You look up at the motor. It's clean. The starter looks fresh. 700 R4. That's an overdrive automatic transmission. So you can go cruising down the highway real nice. Looks like a Ford 9-inch rear end in the back. And all the suspension and chassis was all painted black. Obviously, there's no rust under the car. It's a fiberglass car. So it's all looking really good under there. Beautiful car. Again, I can't say enough about this red finish. The stance, the wheels, all of that is great. I peeked behind the seats, or I flipped them forward. There is a speaker box with speakers and tweeters back there, and there's Ford embossed in the upholstery right behind it there. So really cool hot rod, a very affordable hot rod. This is still slick. To go to any car show, be proud of it. Prop this hood open. It's shiny. It's a comfortable car. It's air conditioned without having to spend a fortune. So go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer any questions you have, including how to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.